In front of me is ZTE blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, I need to select close in order to disable my location. So when I do that and go back, location of this ZTE is now off. But you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same now white shortcut. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead. Click on location section after scrolling down and manage it by tapping on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!